Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 24th of July. I'm James Spann. The weather pretty much stays the same over the weekend, but next week looks a bit unsettled, and the tropics are heating up. Here we go. Upper air look across the country today. Got a big ridge over much of the contiguous United States. Under the ridge, Tropical Depression Hannah. Up in the westerlies, a trough coming into the far northwest United States. There's the visible satellite view, a partly sunny sky for most of the state. The bulk of the convection so far across the southern counties, especially southwest Alabama. That was the radar at 2:32. But again, we'll probably see additional showers and storms forming over the northern half of the state in coming hours as we enter the peak of the daytime heating process. But today, heat levels are just not that bad. Look at all the 80s on the map. Nice to see not a single 90 at 240. And again, temperatures look pretty decent around here for the next week or 10 days for this time of the year, which, by the way, is the typical peak of the summer heat. There's the watch warning map, flash flood watches for parts of Arizona and New Mexico as the summer monsoon season cranks up. Got a tropical storm warning for the southern half of the Texas coast. Up north, heat advisories for parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota. Risk of severe storms way up north. A marginal risk on parts of the Gulf Coast with the tropical system, including Galveston across the Louisiana coast, and a marginal risk just north and east of the state. Tomorrow, a marginal risk again for the lower Texas coast with Hannah coming inland, and a marginal risk up north. And on day 3, which is Sunday, a marginal risk for parts of the high plains and the western Great Lakes. Rain for the next 7 days. The west is dry. Heavy rain for South Texas. They could see flooding with Hannah coming inland. And around here, rain amounts 1/2 to 1 inch in most spots. And again, we'll probably see more than that in a few locations as next week is looking relatively wet. Tropical action. 3 systems on the board. Hannah, Gonzalo, 2 tropical storms, and a wave that has come off the coast of Africa. And that wave could develop over the next several days, could become a hurricane by next week as it moves across the open Atlantic toward the Lesser Antilles. It will be the ice storm, and we're figuring out how to pronounce the ice storm name, which we'll have figured out by Monday. Let's look at Hannah in the Gulf. Looks pretty well organized. Top winds at 50 miles per hour. Moving to the west toward Texas. And landfall will likely come during the day tomorrow, a little south of Corpus Christi. And the big issue will be heavy rain and flooding for South Texas. Some spots there could see 6 to 10 inches. Of course, the winds will be fairly gusty as well. Let's look at Gonzalo. This thing is just struggling. It's weakened. Top winds down to 45 miles an hour. Hurricane Center now expecting this to be a tropical storm coming across the Windward Islands. They've lowered the intensity forecast, and again, they fully expect this to dissipate over the Caribbean and the low latitudes by Monday morning. So if this verifies, no issues for the Gulf. And off in the Pacific, Douglas. Looks like the thing probably peaked earlier today. The top wind's down to 120 miles an hour, but still, this thing could be a hurricane as it comes up on the Hawaiian Islands on Sunday. The core probably passing a bit north of the Big Island, and obviously all of the islands will see a lot of wind and rain with this thing Sunday and Monday. So model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Ridge Center, a little north of us, 594 circle around Kansas City. We've got the tropical system coming into South Texas, and for us, another day just like today. Partly sunny, a few scattered storms, highs around 90. Same thing Sunday, partly sunny, the chance of a pop-up storm, the high 90. And then next week, moisture levels will likely increase as we go through the week. Monday and Tuesday. Here's Wednesday and Thursday. Scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms each day during the week with highs mostly mid to upper 80s. And a week from today, Friday the 31st of July, heat ridge off to the west, a northwest flow aloft, and again that looks pretty muggy with scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday, August 3rd. Heat ridge well to the west, a little trough just north of here, and again, humid, scattered showers and storms. Heat levels probably not that bad with that upper air pattern. Rain for Birmingham, the mean off the GFS ensemble about 2 inches. Some of the members are at 3 inches. Highs most of next week in the 80s and lows in the 70s. And the new CPC outlook just in August 1st through August 7th, showing temperatures right at average levels here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be posted here by 7 o'clock Monday morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.